Hello, G. Hello. Hello again.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's like my phone okay. I think the phone angle is good. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is YouTube. Do I have to say YouTube channel? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, that will do. Today is a horrible day to make this video. I wanted to try this eyeliner look. And let me tell you, I'm not a makeup guru. Makeup is not my, cup of tea. Can't do makeup properly. I'm a mess when it comes to makeup. But today I thought I'll try. I have a zit on my right eyebrow. I have no idea why. Actually, I have the idea why. I ate a piece of vanilla cake and this is the cake I got on my face. Wow, too many noises. So yeah, let's start. This is me trying to follow a makeup tutorial, not trying to teach you. So if you want to learn, please search something else. This is me trying to do something like that and feeling miserably. So I am using the basic Lakme eyeliner because I don't do a lot of eye makeup. I don't have nice eyeliners. So what I am doing here is that I'm drawing a straight line. Now there is something that I learned after watching the new makeup tutorials. Yes, I did watch them. That you should never close your eyes while doing your eyeliner. Rather, you should keep your eye open and then draw the line. My eyes are just not for cat eyes or winged eyeliners. So for my type of eyes, what I realized, I should draw a straight line and then draw the wing, and I have to keep my eyes open. I seriously have no idea what type of eyeliner is this, but basically you have to draw the corners inside your eyes. I think it gives the illusion of long eyes. Alexa Remy wears this eyeliner look a lot. I tried my best. Literally tried my best. Both of them, they look totally different from each other. It does not look good on me. Never doing it again. I'm so sorry that I even tried to do it on myself. I don't know. I seriously don't know. I think this one is okay. This one is dead. But I just don't feel like this is for me. Is it me or it's just not for me? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I am so disappointed. I should stick to my plan of never wearing eyeliner. Look at my eyes and then look at Alexa Dami's eyes. You are way too perfect. You're not meant to be that much perfect, okay? You are too perfect and you make me look ugly right now. But it's okay. I love you. If I can marry Alexa Dami, I would totally marry Alexa Dami. She is the queen and I'm obsessed with her. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Look at her. This is me covering up my eyes with my glasses. That was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. You know what you have to do. I know there was no point in making this video. This video was pointless. Pointless video. There was nothing to learn. There was nothing to see. It was just me trying. I was today I'll try to do this, okay, and I'll succeed, but I didn't. But I was I'll try, and then I thought about, let me show you people my trying. I know this video is pointless and you might not just love this video, but I still made it. It can be a vlog video and I'm just talking too much. Bye. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. It's almost Christmas. It's 21st of December today. So what was that? Merry Christmas. Bye. See you guys on my next video.